My name is Marc Sepama. I'm a 17 and I'm a TA for Engines 20 with Professor Taylor. As a TA, my job is to help the students with their assignments. Part of the TA duties is also to help the professor grade the midterms, the assignments, and the exam. But mostly the focus is to help the students understand the concepts that are being taught in the classroom. What I've learned is that people have different ways of learning. One way that might work for me in terms of understanding a class concept is not necessarily the same way someone else will be able to understand it. So the challenge about trying to explain concepts to students is being to take that into account and being able to accommodate different ways of learning. What I really like about being a TA is that you meet a lot of students and you get to interact with them in a way that the teacher doesn't necessarily get to interact with them, because I'm a student here, so it's more informal and I get to get their perspective on how the course is going and what they find difficult. And I think it's easier for them to relate to me as a student and as someone who went through one experience that they're currently going through. I think being a TA is more than just explaining things to students. It's also about being able to relate to people and being able to transcend any barriers that might exist between you and the students. Being able to relate to the students now is a skill that I can definitely apply in a different setting.